IDX Broker to iHomefinder or Showcase IDX, but we're just going to do from IDX Broker to iHomefinder. So the site is kellyhowison.com, and then here is her homepage. And the only thing that's been done at this moment is that the plugin has been installed, and literally that's it. So nothing else has been done. The major thing that we need to do, that we do for our clients, is create all of the custom search pages. So for example, when you click on Bellevue and it says, just listed in Bellevue homes for sale, there should be properties here. There are no properties here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to fix it so there are properties that show there. And then we do that throughout the entire site. So we're just going to use this one as an example. So what you do is you go to the dashboard of the website, and go to Optima Express, and then click on IDX Control Panel, and then you'll go to another page. If there's a pop-up blocker, just make sure that you allow, hit done, and then do it again. Click there, and then now it will auto log you in to iHomefinder, and then you're all ready to go. So the difference between IDX Broker and iHomefinder is that they have you create saved links, and iHomefinder calls it markets. Really, it's about the same thing, but you just have to know where to go. So under markets, you need to add a market, and then Bellevue, homes for sale, or just Bellevue, it doesn't matter. And then we are going to do a advanced MLS search. Okay, and then this one's pretty easy. It's just type in Bellevue. It should automatically autofill. Leave everything blank in this case because we are looking for just listed, and then you can say today's new listings, and then there's 7 that fit the criteria. You could check all the boxes I went, but I just kind of tend to leave them all blank, especially for the just listed section, and then hit save. Just really easy. There it goes. I just didn't click hard enough. Okay, so I'm going to fix, I didn't see I put an A there, so I'm going to save that again. Okay, for sale. And then that's it. So what we do then is we add shortcodes to the page. So I'm going to go here and then hit edit. You can enable the visual builder on the front end or the back end. I'm going to hit edit page. And then as that loads, okay, I'm going to show you in the front end. So then here's the word, the text, the buttons, and same thing, the background, the text, the buttons right there, so you can kind of see where that goes. So you're going to scroll down and look for the just listed. It might be embedded in the content. I try not to have it there, but if you see one that says code, that's exactly where the old just listed is. So I'm going to actually change this to text. Okay, from this moment you can click on Optima Express shortcode and find it here. However, I like to cheat, and so I already have a shortcode with the way that I want things laid out, and so we just copy and paste that in here. And so therefore you can just copy and paste this one code. I tend to save it off onto Notepad or a text HTML editor, and then the only thing I'm doing now from that moment is just changing this number to the new number. Okay, do that in the code to the new number. Okay, and then so top picks ID, sort by, descending order, displays in a grid, So that's what I'm looking for, and then I'm going to go up and hit update. And then now you should, after that gets done, now when we refresh the page, you should start seeing listings here. Here's the just listed. Here are the just listed items in Bellevue, and that's it. So these are just the new on market. And for example, if she comes back and doesn't want just new on market, we can come back here and just, instead of today's listings, we can do any or 2 weeks old, but today is fine. And that's it. So that's saved, and then you would just go to add new market and repeat that entire process. So now what you can do is you can go back to this page, go to text, delete the code, go to text, and then you could just copy this and put this on the website. So the other thing that we need to do that I forgot is to copy the key phrase and put it right above the code as an H2 tag. And I like to put just listed. This isn't a key phrase, it's just I don't know, I just like it. Okay, so that's that. And then you hit update. The other thing that we're going to do to all of our sites that we find that works better is that we are dumping Yoast in conjunction with rank math. So we'll use rank math more than we will use Yoast, but go through and change all of the items first, and then I will have a migration video from switching from Yoast to rank math and the reasons why. But that's that. So that's how you change the listing information from IDX Broker to iHomefinder, and the main reason why we do this is because all of this shows as content, while in IDX Broker it does not show as content. It's just a JavaScript. So doing this alone should increase rankings exponentially. All right, thank you for watching and have a good day.